we're looking at the link chart. Yes, I like Ethereum. I like most ERC20s, and Chainlink is one of my top positions, and I just kind of accumulated it. Maybe I should have been looking at Aave and some of the others, but for me, especially as crypto goes mainstream, I look at Chainlink as essential DeFi infrastructure. Why wouldn't the token be good or at least sort of safe in this wild west of DeFi? What I basically did was trade this channel. I was selling the pumps and then buying the dips all along this this lower trend line here. You can't see my trades because I was doing it on Coinbase. I was using limit orders, and basically what I did was decrease my average entry while also increasing my position. This shows me, and maybe you want to do this. Maybe you want to change the trend line a little bit. I know this is not exactly touching. I'm not looking for precision. I'm looking for accuracy. Here, it looks like we completely broke out. So now I have to go on Coinbase, change my limit orders around, because I had limit orders at 1050, like right here, because this was the previous low point, and it was also a long-term support. So I had a pretty big order at 1050. It looks like we may not get there. We might go up for a while as we break, as we broke this trend, and I'm okay with that because I plan on taking more profits. I was, whether it was 5%, 8%, 14%, whatever it was, I was taking it on Link. And if the price got away from me where I was like, damn, I shouldn't have sold there, it kept going up. Who cares? I still have my ETH. Yeah, we could come back down, right, and touch this upper trend line here, and looks like that's like 12 and change. So instead of having this big limit order down here at 1062, I'm going to split it. I'm going to put another limit order here, like around 12, 15, something like that, in case we do come down and then rock it up into highs. What I'm also going to do is just erase my limit sells. I don't want to be selling anymore in the $15 range. I want to be selling higher. So maybe there, and then from there, if we completely broke this downtrend, I'm looking to hold until we get into the mid 20s, and then I'm looking for highs. I'm looking for, let's zoom out here. Maybe this is unrealistic, but there it is in weeks. So this was like a relentless downtrend. Looks like we broke out of it, right? Wherever you put this line, if you zoom out far enough and we see all the bullish things happening with Bitcoin and ETH and, institutions and ETFs and stablecoin bills, it makes sense that we break out. I mean, we'll pull back probably a little bit. Maybe I should put a limit order like around 14, and then whatever the case might be. Maybe I'm splitting hairs. But if we get into like mid 20s and I sell a little bit, I'll probably be free and clear, and I could just hold whatever. And this is a token that, because it's positioned on ETH, and I think ETH is going to do really well in the next like 6 to 12 months, we might revisit all-time highs. Even though I'm not a big fan of most altcoins, I am a big fan of anything related to anything paired with ETH that is essential, proven, going to be in narratives, maybe going to be discussed in ETFs. So I'll put my trades on. I put the exact ones in my Telegram. If you want to join, go to the top of the scroll up to my profile. Happy to have you in there, and you can see what I've been doing. And I keep everything nice and transparent. But yeah, take it easy.